kids, and today we're gonna be playing a game of LOL surprise, a water surprise. So let's start opening. This game is from the Samko and Miko toy warehouse. Pretty excited, pretty excited, pretty. Yay! Can I open it? Can I open it?
You open this one.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
I don't open up LOL. Not even.
He's not even good at opening up.
This is too small. That's why I'm good at big stuff. Can you open big?
I already opened it.
Can you? I want to discuss some of the parts, and I just want to organize it. Please.
But can I organize it then?
Yes, you organize it.
Done. Can I open it?
Yeah, open it. Come on.
Oh yay! Oh look!
What is that? Is that a card? Is that like a secret message?
Oh my god. I don't know what it is. Okay. The genie from Aladdin. The genie. Can I get it for now?
Oh my goodness! It's like a sponge.
That's where you put water.
Look at all of this!
Oh look, there's instructions right there.
I am not into LOLs, but this is what. No, do not open it. That's for the game. Okay, these are water surprises. This is pets. This is pets.
Okay, let's start building. So my brother can.
Wait.
I need some water. So can my friend give me some water?
Yeah, just wait, Sophia. I think we're gonna open this up with the water. But I need the instruction. No! You need a bowl of water. Sophia, you need a bowl. You open it up? Oh, so you do this, you open each one
No,
up?
do not open it.
Yeah, you need to. It says right here, you need to open it up, put the water inside of it so you can get the clue. It's like empty, so. Wait. I didn't tell you everything. It's like, and then after you get your clue.
I got my. I think it's my clue.
Wait, you have to do it.
I gotta cry.
You're supposed to take this out. No, you're not really. You're supposed to put this over here, like on this platform. Gosh. So you have all of this. Which one has this?
That one.
So you put it on there.
Okay, now I'm gonna try my second one. It's
There. So she got a cry. We got to put.
I'm gonna add a little bit more on it.
There's a gold. Oh my gosh, you got the genie.
Genie?
Yeah, but that has to be a picture. Okay, so I'm gonna be opening up one of these.
Oh, I got some poofy shoes.
Poofy shoes?
These ones.
So you put it, not like that, you put it right over there. Yeah, my turn.
And I'm gonna, and then I'm gonna open up my pee.
Okay, this was really fast, so I got like a little spike thing. And that is supposed to go here.
I'm gonna be opening up mine. Hey.
You did too much. You did like 2 in 1. Oh my gosh, I got glasses. Oh, this is for this.
There's sunglasses. No, these are the ones.
Oh, those are different. Yeah, this is the one.
Ooh, I got like this thing.
What?
Oh, it comes.
Can you let me see the genie thing? Wait, Sophia, where's the little of the genie? Like the actual bag?
Here.
In there? That's the same thing.
So leave that over there too.
Nope.
I'm gonna leave it over there. I'm gonna open this blue one.
So, I think my sister has one of these pets in her house.
No, I have none of them.
This.
I don't have that one. I have none of them. The only one I have is a bunny, but not that kind of bunny. Okay, I can open this one up for you.
Yes, thank you. Oh, I think I already see. It's like a chain.
I saw.
I'm like ruining it. Ah, it's supposed to go over there. What I do? See? I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. Got it.
This one's actually pretty fun. I knew it was a scoop. A scoop. A scoop.
Please.
No, I think I know it.
It's a bottle, baby bottle. Energy.
There's so many scoops I got. Oh my god, there's a bunny scoop.
Bunny? Is that good? So we got a winner! Energy!
I'm gonna open
Okay, we got the Crystal Bunny who is the winner of this. So this is first place.
and I'm gonna be opening up the last blue one. Okay, I got my last blue one that I'm opening. Put it in. Ooh, I got the yellow one, so I put them inside. This one.
Okay, we're done. One of the aisles. No, we're not.
I got glasses, the same one. Wait. Oh yeah, this one's supposed to belong.
We energy. We got the second place. It's a puppy.
Yay, but I like this puppy better.
Who will win first? The product. We got one more. I want it. I got it. I want it.
Ooh, I got a scooper. So who
No.
will win?
Oh no.
It's the last.
We have one more. We have energy.
I know you would ask me to open it, so.
If you guys didn't see what was inside here. Gosh.
A bottle.
Energy. We got our third place. This game is over. So, we are done. We'll do the scale of one. We'll do the scale of 1 to 5, Sophia. What do you think?
A 2. Ooh, water. I want to check the water.
So this is a 5.
This is actually a 5.
So if you like this video, smash that like button, hit that bell notification so you never ever miss a video, and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next time. Goodbye.